Hello, good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all are good. Have you solved all the questions till 19 question? If you have not solve all the questions till 19 and write your answer number in the comment section. Okay. Today, students, in this video we are going to study question number 20, 21 and 22. See beta, what is question? Question is on 10 April 18. Ravi purchased from Mohan goods for 30,000 plus CGST and SGST. Ravi paid 15,400 and accepted a bill for 2 months. For the balance amount drawn him by Mohan, Mohan endorsed the bill to Rakesh. मीन्स कि जो मोहन का बिल था वो उसने किसको एंडोर्स कर दिया, दे दिया राकेश को. द बिल वॉज डिसऑनर्ड ऑन द ड्यू डेट. जो बेटा बिल था वो ड्यू डेट पे क्या हो गया, डिसऑनर हो गया. ओके, समझ में आया यहाँ तक? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रीड क्वेश्चन. ओके, व्हाट द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग, देन आफ्टर दैट स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग. सो सी व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट. राकेश हैड टू स्पेंड 100 एज नोटिंग चार्जेस. व्हाट आर द नोटिंग चार्जेस? बेटे जब कोई भी चेक बाउंस हो जाता है, डिसऑनर हो जाता है, इन दैट केस बैंक के चार्जेस दैट्स कॉल्ड नोटिंग चार्जेस. ओके, immediately after the dishonor, Mohan accepted the new bill. Mohan accepted the new bill drawn by Rakesh, in which rupees 200 interest was also included. After 20 days, the dishonor of the bill, Ravi paid full amount इंक्लूडिंग 50 एज इंटरेस्ट. ठीक है, रवि ने क्या करा, सारा पेमेंट कर दिया बेटा, इंक्लूडिंग 50 रुपीज़ इंटरेस्ट ऑल्सो. ओके, सो हेयर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर जर्नल एंट्रीज इन द बुक्स ऑफ मोहन. सी बेटा, मोहन वॉज सेलिंग द गुड्स टू रवि. ओके, तो गुड्स वर परचेस्ड बाय रवि. सो in the books of Mohan, Ravi account will be debited to sales, and there was GST also 9%. So on 30,000 you charge 9% CGST 2,700 and SGST also 2,700. Okay, so the total amount will be 35400. 35400. 35400. Okay, after that on the same day on 10 April beta bill will be accepted. So at that time he paid, means Ravi paid 15,400 in cash immediately, and remaining will be paid by bill. Okay, so BR debit, cash debit to Ravi 35400. Okay, after that Rakesh, whenever bill will be accepted, then Rakesh debit beta and BR will be credited. Why here Rakesh is debited? Because beta bill is endorsed to Rakesh. Okay, and after that whenever bill will be dishonored, then again Ravi debit to Rakesh. Okay, now on June 13, whatever interest will be there that will be due. So interest was beta 200. Okay, how much? 200. So entry of interest will be interest account debit to Rakesh. Why interest is charged beta? Because bill was dishonored and the question is in the interest rate in the question is also given. Okay, now on June 13 again new bill will be prepared and that will be accepted by Rakesh. So that will be of 20,300. Okay, so Rakesh debit to bill payable to 20,300. After that, Ravi debit to interest rupees 50. Okay, interest due which will be recovered. Okay, after that, at the last, whenever bill accepted again, so 20,150 that will be paid by Rakesh Ravi to Mohan. So in the Mohan's books, cash account debit to Ravi beta. Okay, is it clear? Any problem? No problem. Now beta, we will prepare entries in the books of Ravi. Have you noted all the things? If yes, yes. Okay, write yes in the comment section. Now beta, Ravi was purchasing, so Ravi's account will be debited. Input GST will be charged, so it will be debited to Mohan account. ठीक है, from Mohan we are purchasing ना. Just पहले हम लोगों ने भी देखा कि मोहन सेल कर रहा था. Okay, so is it clear? Any problem? Purchase account debit, input CGST account debit to Mohan 35400. Is it clear? Now bill will be accepted by Mohan for Ravi. So Mohan debit to bill payable account 35400 beta. Next entry beta, bill payable account debit, noting charges account debit to Mohan. Okay, 20,000 plus 100 it will be there. So 20,100. After that, interest account debit to Mohan. Okay, interest due to be paid. After that, Mohan paid on 3 July, then the entry will be Mohan account debit to cash. Okay, now entries will be prepared in the books of Rakesh, to whom the bill was endorsed. So beta, in the books of Rakesh, first of all he received bill from Mohan na. So bill receivable account debit to Mohan on April 10, it will be 20,000. After that, on June 13, Mohan account debit to BR 20,100 and 20,100. After that, Mohan was account will be debited 200 to interest 200. Okay, then after that, bill receivable account debit to Mohan accepted the new bill on June 13. Is it clear? Any problem till here? Now see beta, what is question 26? It is on March 2017. A purchased from B goods for 50,000. A paid 50% immediately. इन्हें क्या किया? 50% अमाउंट पे कर दिया. ओके, एंड बैलेंस gave a promissory note to be payable after 30 days. B immediately endorsed the promissory note in favor of his creditor C for the full settlement of debt 31,000. Okay, after the date, on due date, the bill was dishonored. बिल क्या हो गया? डिसऑनर हो गया. And C paid 100 as noting charges. She paid 100 as noting charges. Okay, after that, the same date C informed the B about dishonor of the bill. The bill was his debt to C, check for 30,100 including noting charges. So B claimed by check for the same amount, right? So I think it is very easy question. You can prepare it by your own. Okay, the same way you have to solve question number 27 also. Okay, thank you students, bye bye, take care.